Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can copy and paste PNG stickers onto your story in Instagram. So I'm just going to slide that to the left, and I'm going to quickly select a story here, and then if you can just go to the stickers tab here, and you can scroll down, or you can go to where's the photo here, and you can just simply select the stickers right here. You can tap for more, but it doesn't really do anything. It just changes the frame. And make sure your image is a PNG, and you're just going to go back to stickers if you want to add more, and that's pretty much it. You can just add in those PNG photos right away. You used to have to copy and paste it, but you can just add it now. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!